So today at around 6:30, my father was there on the beach. He saw some ghost net coming up, and then he saw there is one turtle which is entangled to the net, and there is another turtle which is trying to save this turtle towards the beach. He is trying to drag the bigger turtle which is injured towards the beach. So one turtle which was entangled, the other turtle which is smaller one is trying to save this turtle towards the beach so that it can be saved. So my father was there and some tourists were there. We called a lifeguard over here, Kolwa lifeguard. They came, they put them in their jeep. They have brought it in their office here, and now the doctors are come. The forest department people are come, and they will take it to the hospital, and then it will be treated. After treatment, then certain days, they will also inform us that they have been released back into the sea safely. It was always useful. They gave us good tips, tips how to treat a turtle and how to administer emergency first aid.
आम्ही हांगा कोलवा आसा आनी 2 टर्टल येयले हांगा ते जळा घुसपल्ले आनी आतां फर्स्ट टीम येयल्या आनी तांकां ट्रिटमेंट चालू केला आनी आतां तांकां आमी शिफ्ट बाणावली वतले ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर.
टोटाईस कोणा मेळ्ळे हे?
टर्टल लोकल पीपल फिशरमॅन ऑलिव्ह रेडली टर्टल.
आता त्याका खंय व्हरतले?
आता ताका बाणावली वतले आमी.
ओके.
एकाला जुनी इंजुरी आहे आणि एकाला आता जस्ट नेट्सनी चांगली ब्लिडिंग होत आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी आता आम्ही त्यांना शांत करायसाठी एक इंजेक्शन दिलेलं आहे आणि एक गॉजनी तर ब्लिडिंगच्या अगेन्स्ट ब्लिडिंग थांबवायचा प्रयत्न करणं चालू आहे.